On this video today, I'm going to show you one of the best methods that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method that I'm about to show you is one of the easiest, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you the best product that you can promote in a free quality traffic source that you can use to get people to purchase the product so that you can be earning a commission on Store24. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. In this case, I'm using Store24. Store24 is one of the best affiliate networks where you can join and find a lot of different products that you can promote wherever you are in the world. So make sure you search for Store24. Once you search for it, you can be able to create an account and then find products that you can promote to make money from home. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to find offers that you can promote to make money. To find an offer, click right here, Marketplace. Once you click on the Marketplace, you are going to find a lot of different available products that you can promote to make money from home. You can see right here, these are products that you can promote to make money from home. There are many of them, so any kind of product that you want, you can find it on this platform to promote. As I scroll down, you can see a whole lot of different products that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select the one that you want. If you want, you can click on page 2. Once you click on page 2, different kind of products are going to be displayed and you can select the one that you want so that you can promote it. You can see a whole lot of different products. You can see a whole lot of them. You are allowed to promote any kind of product that you want. Most of the products, you don't need an approval before you promote them. They are available and you can promote them at any time that you want. You can see a whole lot of them. If you want a specific category of products, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. You can see digital products. When you click on it, you'll find different categories of digital products that you can promote. If you want physical products, once you click on it, you can see they have skincare physical products. They have food supplements, physical products that you can promote to earn money from home. If you want services, you can click on services. Once you click on services, you can see they have two categories, fashion and marketing services. Any of them that you want, you can click on it to find the available offers that you can promote to make money. If you want the digital products, click on it. Once you click on the digital products, you can see these are subcategories under digital products. You can see business and investment, computer and internet, dancing and music, dating, relationship and romance, education, email marketing, family and children, and many other products that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of different products that you can promote to make money. You can see a whole lot of different products that you can promote. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select one of the products and then promote it. You can select any product that you want and promote. I'm just going to demonstrate for you. You don't have to promote the product that I've been promoting. You can promote any product that you want. Better still, you can also promote the product that I'm about to promote. You can see a whole lot of different products. In this case, I'm going to be promoting this product right here, Pro-Dentin Supplement. It is a supplement that helps people to maintain healthy teeth and gums. You can see the cut conversion rate is high, 25%. You can see the commission rate is also high, $130.93. So this is one of the best products that you can promote to make money from home. To promote the product, click on it. Once you click on it, you can be able to get other details of the product. As you can see, this is some of the details of the product. If you want to see the landing page, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, sales page. Once you click on the sales page, you'll be able to see the landing page of the product. As you can see, this is the landing page of the product. This is the exact page that your potential customers are going to see before they make a purchase. You can see the product has a nice landing page. As I scroll, you can see it has a nice landing page. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different details in the landing page. They have bonuses for your customers. So if your customers make a purchase, they are going to get access to these two bonuses. When you scroll down, you see many other information. You can see these are testimonials. These people have purchased the product and they have gotten their desired results. You can see these are their testimonials. When you scroll down, you can see many other testimonials. They have the product in different packages, so whatever your potential visitors want, they can click on it and then make a purchase. You can see they have 3 packages. They have $69 per bottle, $49 per bottle, $59 per bottle. Any of them that your potential visitors want, they can click on it and then make a purchase. You can see the frequently asked questions. So if you want to understand anything about the product, you can click on any of these questions and then read more. For example, if you want to understand the shipping policy, you can click on it. Once you click on it, you can see in the United States it is free. The delivery is 5 to 7 working days. If your potential customers are in Canada, they have to make a payment of $15.95. And you can see the shipping time. UK and Ireland, you can see they have to also make the same amount of payment, $15.95. And you can see the delivery time is the same as Canada. So they have a lot of questions. You can click on each of them and then read more about the product. Now, once you have gotten some basic information about the product, the next step is that you have to begin promoting it. So what you have to do is that you have to come back and then click right here, promote now. Once you click on it, you can see copy promo link. Click on it. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied. Now the next step is that you have to find a quality traffic source whereby you can get people to purchase the product for you to earn $130.93. You can see this is the main price of the product, $183.19. And you are going to be earning this amount as commission. So there are many traffic sources that you can use. You have the paid traffic source, you have the free traffic source. Any of them that you want, you can use it and then get people to purchase the product. In this case, I'm going to be using free traffic source, which means we are not going to be paying for anything. Everything is free, but we can get people to purchase the product for us to make money. The website that we are going to be using to drive traffic to our affiliate link is salesspider.com. Salesspider.com. Salesspider is one of the best platforms where you can list your product for sale in the United States. Or if you want, you can select UK or Canada. It's one of the best traffic source because most of the people who visit this website are from UK, United States, Canada, and other places. So it's one of the best platforms where you can list your product for sale. You can see they have a lot of different categories that you can place your ad for free. You can see services categories. You can see a whole lot of different categories that you can post your ad onto this platform. You can see everything. If I scroll down, you can see many other categories. You can see a whole lot of different categories. You can see these are ads that people have posted onto the platform. You can see Canada businesses. You can see these are United States businesses that people have listed on the platform. You can see everything. Another good thing about this website is that you can list your business for sale or you can run ads. So if you want to list your business for sale, all that you have to do is that you have to click right here, list your business for free. Once you click on it, you can be able to list your business. You have to enter business email, business name, city, street address, you can see, and the rest. Once you have entered all those details, the next step is that you have to enter your company logo, enter number of locations, website address. You can see featured message, any brief information that you have about your company, you can paste it right here. Once that is done, you have to write a description of your business and then paste it here. Once you have entered all the details, click right here, list business now. Once you click on it, your business is going to be listed onto this website for free and you are not required to pay for anything. What we are going to be doing is that we are going to run ads. So let's create an account so that we can post an ad onto this platform to get people to purchase the affiliate product that we are promoting. To create an account, you have to click right here, free sign up. Once you click on it, you can be able to sign up for an account without paying for anything. Once you create your account and log in, the next step is that you have to begin to run your ad. To run an ad, click right here, marketplace. Once you click on it, you can see post a classified, browse local classifieds, my classifieds. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be posting an ad. So select post a classified. Once you click on it, you have to enter the title of your ad and then a description. So now what you have to do is that you have to write your ad title and a description. What I've been doing is that I use ChatGPT to write the details for me. So I'm going to go back on ChatGPT and then copy the details so that I can paste it right here. You can see this is what I used to promote the product. I just wrote a prompt like, write a compelling ad description for Prodentim supplement. That is the name of the product, Prodentim supplement. Once you write a prompt like this, click on send so that it will write a very nice description like this. You can see this is my description, so I don't need to give a new prompt. I'm just going to copy and paste this description. But in your case, you have to give a prompt so that it will write a nice description like this. Now let me copy the title. Once you highlight and copy it, come back on your ad. Once you come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to highlight and copy the description. So highlight and copy everything. Highlight. Once you highlight it, copy it. As you can see, that has been done. Once you highlight and copy, the next step is that you have to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your description, you can see it right here. You can see everything. Now what you have to do is that you have to select the location. So enter any city that you want. In this case, I'm going to type New York. So type New York. Just type New York. Once you type New York, you can see these are the locations that you can select. Select any of them that you want. Once you have selected the location, the next step is that you have to select the category. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see different categories that you can select. In this case, it is a dental product. So you are going to select health and beauty. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to upload images of the product. You can see it is optional, but if you want, you can add the images. To get images of the product, search on Google for the name of the product. Once you search for it, click on images. Once you click on images, you can see different images that you can download and then use them on your ad. To download an image, right click on it. Once you right click on it, select save image as so that you can be able to save the image of the product that you are promoting. As you can see, click right here, save. Once you click on save, it has been saved. Now what you have to do is that you have to come back, click on upload photo. Once you click on it, select your image. Once you select your image, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. You can see the image right here. The next step is that you have to enter the street address. So if you have a street address, you can enter it right here, but we are not going to enter any street address, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see website address. This is the most important part, because if you do not paste your affiliate link right here, you are not going to be making any money, even if many people see your ad. So you have to copy our affiliate link and then paste it right here. So come back on Store24. Once you come back on Store24, click on copy promo link. Once you copy the promo link, come back and then paste your affiliate link right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you enter all the details, click on post now so that the ad can be posted onto the website. You can see posting. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. They are asking you to upgrade your ad. So if you want, you can select any of these options and then make the payment. In this case, we are not going to pay for anything. So click right here, no thanks, continue. Once you click on it, your ad has been posted onto the platform. Now what you have to do is that you have to go back on Store24, select a different product and a different category and then post it onto this website so that you can be making money. Make sure you post as many as you can onto this platform so that you can get many people to click on your link and then purchase the products for you to make money without investing anything. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.